in this place I love Sekuwa the most, so I came this place only to eat Sekuwa. So they are preparing Sekuwa, meanwhile I'm waiting. For now I just want to have my starter with the bara. Yo, what's up Nepal, what's up guys, hope everyone is doing well. Sanche Ununcha, and we are still exploring Nepal guys, the most amazing and richest country I can say when it comes to culture, religion, and it's just amazing. Just know this country is unique guys. And today I just came back to Bhaktapur Durbar Square just only to eat Sekuwa guys. I came here previously, I tried with a lot of different variety of food like bara and some food, but I love Sekuwa guys. So I came back today, I'm going to that place to eat Sekuwa guys. I'm going to eat Sekuwa. I came today only for that. Hello ma'am, hi, how are you? She's the best when it comes to Sekuwa guys. I'm coming back here only to eat at Sekuwa, and last time I ate bara also. Yeah. Last time I came here guys, I ate Sekuwa, it was so nice. I want again. This is egg bara guys. I also tried the mixed bara, but since I'm going to have my Sekuwa, so no need to have mixed bara. Those are the most famous food you will find here in Bhaktapur. They added some soup, buff soup guys, made it more juicy and so tasty. I wasn't aware. I think next time when you come around here guys, make sure to ask for the soup, because the first time when I ordered this, they gave me only bara, but it was dry. Like I didn't eat it with the soup, but now I came to know that it's so best. It's amazing when you eat it with the soup guys. It's really so nice when you eat with the soup. This is what I came for guys. Last time I ate it and I was so impressed guys, so I came back again to Bhaktapur and let's have it for the second time. Yeah. Really honest guys, this is the best Sekuwa I'm eating here, and I told you this is for the second time I came here. Like the way she make it is just so unique, and I really loved it. That's why I came back again here and to eat it. So this is so delicious, and it is also so affordable guys. This is so amazing. You can call me Sekuwa, okay?